What if the very fabric of reality could be rewritten? What if our thoughts alone could move mountains, or machines could dream? Prepare to have your mind blown as we unveil 10 technological and AI marvels that are reshaping existence as you know it. Number 1. AI-generated realism, deepfakes. AI systems can now create incredibly realistic images, videos, and even audio of people and events that never actually happened. These deepfakes are so convincing, they challenge our very perception of what's real and what's digitally manufactured. Number 2. Mind-controlled prosthetics and exoskeletons. Imagine controlling a robotic limb or even a full-body exoskeleton simply with your thoughts. This groundbreaking technology is restoring mobility and a sense of independence to individuals with paralysis, directly translating brain signals into physical action. Number 3. CRISPR gene editing. Often called molecular scissors, CRISPR allows scientists to precisely edit DNA, cutting out undesirable genes and inserting new ones. This revolutionary tool holds immense promise for eradicating genetic diseases and even enhancing biological capabilities. Number 4. AI-powered drug discovery. AI algorithms are dramatically accelerating the search for new medicines by sifting through vast chemical libraries and biological data faster than any human ever could. This means new treatments for complex diseases could be developed in a fraction of the traditional time. Number 5. Autonomous drone swarms. Picture hundreds of intelligent drones working together without any human pilot, autonomously coordinating for complex tasks like construction, disaster response, or even light shows. These synchronized swarms represent a new era of collaborative robotics. Number 6. Optogenetics. This cutting-edge neuroscience technique uses light to precisely turn individual neurons in the brain on or off. It allows researchers to map brain circuits and understand neurological disorders with unprecedented clarity, potentially leading to new therapies. Number 7. AI and personalized medicine. Forget one-size-fits-all treatments. AI is now analyzing your unique genetic code, lifestyle, and medical history to predict disease risks and tailor highly individualized treatment plans. This means truly bespoke healthcare design just for you. Number 8. Robotic Process Automation, RPA, with AI. Software robots, supercharged with AI, are automating complex, rules-based tasks in businesses, from data entry to customer service. They learn and adapt to new processes with minimal human input, freeing up human workers for more creative roles. Number 9. Haptic feedback suits and gloves. Step into virtual reality and truly feel the digital world with haptic feedback suits and gloves. These wearables apply pressure, temperature, and vibration to simulate physical interaction, blurring the lines between the digital and physical. Number 10. AI and space exploration, autonomous probes. In the vastness of space, AI-powered spacecraft and rovers are making independent decisions, navigating treacherous alien terrains, and conducting scientific experiments millions of miles from Earth. They are our eyes and hands where direct human presence is impossible. You've just glimpsed a future that few imagine possible, a world where technology and AI push the boundaries of what it means to be human. If you're fascinated by the cutting edge of innovation, make sure to subscribe and join us for more mind-bending discoveries. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to Lumifacts. We drop new facts every day, and you won't want to miss what's coming next.